This video is an overview of projects by Japan's Ministry of the Environment, or MOE, aimed at creating a hydrogen society. A hydrogen society is a world in which hydrogen is utilized as fuel for vehicles, as well as energy to generate electricity and heat. Japan aims to become carbon neutral by 2050. To achieve this, it will be necessary to reduce CO2 emissions, especially in the energy sectors where emissions are proportionately high. Thus, there is much hope that hydrogen will play a key role. Electricity and heat generated when hydrogen is combined with oxygen is usable as energy. This process emits no CO2, just water. Moreover, hydrogen can be produced from a variety of energy sources. Producing low-carbon hydrogen from resources such as renewable energy can further limit CO2 emissions. There is also much hope that this technology will be used in heavy industries, long-distance and large-scale overland transport, shipping, and aviation sectors in which reducing CO2 emissions is considered difficult. In addition, by converting renewable energy that cannot be fully used at a specific time or season into hydrogen, it is possible to store large amounts of energy for longer periods of time than with storage batteries. The hydrogen stored could be extracted and utilized as electricity or heat whenever it is needed. If hydrogen is stored in advance, stationary fuel cells can generate electricity and heat even during a power outage caused by a natural disaster. Since hydrogen is transportable, it means energy can be delivered flexibly. Producing hydrogen locally from renewable energy sources will also create jobs and revitalize regional industries. In order to advance decarbonization with hydrogen, we need to consider creating a supply chain, that is, methods of producing, storing, transporting, and consuming hydrogen. The first step in the supply chain is hydrogen production. Hydrogen can be produced from a variety of resources and methods, including electrolysis, which uses electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. As for storing and transporting hydrogen, there are various methods, such as sending it through pipelines or compressing hydrogen for tank trailer trucks. The most appropriate method depends on distance and volume. Hydrogen transported in this way can be used in a variety of ways, such as fuel cell vehicles, stationary fuel cells that supply electricity and heat, hydrogen boilers, and raw material for chemical products. The Ministry of the Environment is conducting demonstration projects and subsidizing programs to promote hydrogen consumption in regional areas. Let's look into them. Of the 13 demonstration projects the Ministry of the Environment has carried out to date, 4 of them are currently being undertaken. The completed projects produced hydrogen from various local resources, including renewable energy and biogas derived from livestock manure and plastic wastes. The produced hydrogen was effectively used as an energy source to power fuel cell vehicles, fuel cell forklifts, and stationary fuel cells that can generate electricity and heat from hydrogen. The demonstration projects have proven that the entire process of producing, transporting, and consuming hydrogen can be done locally. The first of the demonstration projects currently being undertaken is in Namie, a town in Fukushima Prefecture in northeastern Japan. At the Fukushima Hydrogen Energy Research Field, or FH2R, hydrogen produced using electricity from solar power and other sources is compressed, and transported in tank trailer trucks and gas canisters. By introducing a system that monitors the remaining hydrogen levels at end users and the status of delivery vehicles, the project strives to transport hydrogen efficiently to multiple destinations. Hydrogen is utilized as electricity and heat via fuel cells in lodgings and nursing homes. In addition, a compact refilling hydrogen station can supply hydrogen to fuel cell vehicles. These vehicles can also be used as power supply units in the event of an emergency. These partners are involved in this project. The second ongoing demonstration project is taking place in the city of Osaka. Methane is produced using methanation technology from hydrogen that is made with solar and wind power, biogas made from local food waste, and other renewable energy sources. Methanation is a technology that, from hydrogen and CO2, produces methane, the main component found in natural gas. This methane can be supplied directly in the existing gas infrastructure and consumed by end users. Methane can be delivered through pipelines and used in existing gas-powered kitchen appliances, water heaters, and air conditioners. This method will be demonstrated at the Osaka Kansai Japan Expo in 2025. These partners are involved in this project. The third ongoing project is located in Muroran, a city in Hokkaido, Japan's northernmost island. Hydrogen produced using electricity from the Shukuzu wind farm owned by Muroran City is stored in cylindrical tanks containing a hydrogen-absorbing alloy. The tanks are then integrated into existing gas distribution networks and delivered to end users within the city. Hydrogen is supplied to small shops and lodging facilities, where it is used as electricity and heat. It also powers road heaters to melt snow in parking lots and operate metal cutters as a heat source. The project is also working on ways to increase hydrogen usage and demand. These partners are involved in this project. The fourth demonstration project is being conducted in Tomakomai, another city in Hokkaido. A stable supply of hydrogen is produced by combining waste-generated electricity and solar power. The hydrogen is compressed and transported in high-pressure tank trailer trucks, which are also used to store the hydrogen to reduce costs. The hydrogen is used to heat buildings and make hot water to reduce the consumption of kerosene and other fossil fuels, which are widely used in such cold climates. These partners are involved in this project. Let's now take a look at 3 subsidized projects. The Ministry of the Environment has been subsidizing projects to implement assistance in a variety of facilities that produce, store, transport, and consume hydrogen. Let's take a look at 3 of them. The first project subsidizes an electronics manufacturer to install a series of machinery that produce hydrogen from solar power generated by the equipment on the company's building and store it for use as electricity and heat. The hydrogen produced using surplus solar power is safely stored in the building with a hydrogen-absorbing alloy and then used to generate electricity and heat. The second project subsidizes the installation of equipment at a factory that produces hydrogen from solar power, stores it in hydrogen-absorbing alloys, and transports it. By using cylinders with hydrogen-absorbing alloys, the project ensures safe and leak-free transportation, allowing anyone to deliver it securely. A third project subsidizes a hotel to install equipment that utilizes hydrogen. The hotel operates on stationary fuel cells powered by hydrogen-produced electricity. Through these demonstration and subsidized projects, Japan's Ministry of the Environment aims to promote the utilization of hydrogen and realize a hydrogen-based society.